Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today's quick, tasty tip of the day is no more watery iced coffee. So, have you ever made iced coffee and it ends up with a watery mess halfway through, or it's just watery? Don't worry, I got you covered, and it's a game-changing little tip. Take your leftover morning brew and pour it into an ice cube tray. That's it, just like that. Then you're going to put it in the freezer, let it freeze. Once it's frozen and it's iced coffee o'clock, drop a few cubes in your cup and pour your coffee right over the top. Instead of watering down your coffee, it keeps things bold and flavorful. So add some milk, a little sweet cream, or drink it straight up. Now that's how you cool down without losing your flavor. Try it, love it, and tag me when you do. See y'all next time in Lavonne's Kitchen.